Alright. Hello. Once again, friends, family, StarCraft enthusiasts. So, this is the Happy Penguin once again, and welcome to another wonderful game of StarCraft. This is going to be a very casual, friendly match between two Filipino players, both from the casual community. So, spawning here on the upper right side of the map, we have our blue or navy blue Protoss player, Art and Music. And we have on the lower left side of the map, we have the purple Terran Seniv. Now, just a bit of background between these two players na habang wala pa namang action going on. So, si Art and Music actually nalaman ko na lang lately na he actually participated in WCG in the early 2000s. That event was sponsored by Samsung. So, basta I don't know much details about the event, pero what I do know is that it's a competition, no? May mga contest, and I think sa Pilipinas siya, no? I don't know if may mga international players involved, pero I think sa Philippines. And yeah, this person actually computed, so that's in the early 2000s, and yun, very exciting to see him play once again, no? After several years of skipping Brood War, and now nagbabalik siya, I think just around the last quarter of 2025, bumalik siya. So yeah, let's see kung anong plays ang dadali niya sa table for this game. And yeah, probably siguro baka rusty or maybe yung old builds try niya i-revive from yung kanya mga tournament games back then. So now, we have on the lower left side yung Terran player natin. Actually, he's not actually a Terran main. He is actually a Protoss main, and nakilala ko tong si Seniv around mga November last 2025. And yeah, well, we practice sometimes, you know, like there was a point na halos araw-araw we practice TVP, ako yung Terran, yung Protoss. And eventually he wanted to learn Terran, so medyo nagpaturo siya sa akin ng Terran, so we could kind of say na he's like my student, kinda. Hindi naman total, no, kasi syempre most of his, I don't want to claim na ako yung nagturo, kasi definitely he does his own research, he does his own practice, and may iba-iba rin siyang mga sources, no, to learn from. Pero yeah, meron naman ako influence, I could say. Doon ako confident, may influence ako sa GameStar niya because we practice PVT, ako yung Protoss, I off-race Protoss, and gusto lang niya ma-learn yung Terran just for the fun of it. I would say he is decent for his level. I think he's sitting at around, siguro nasa low E, between E to D na Terran, or siguro nasa low middle rank E if usapan natin ladder tiers. Now, speaking of ladder tiers though, right now, look at Art and Music's opener. Ito yung napansin kong pattern sa kanyang opener, no? The 2-gate into Cybernetics core opener. And yeah, baka kasi ito yung meta back then, no? I'm not sure. Pero ito yung lagi ng opener sa mga TVP, pansin ko, always double gate. Kasi ang bagong standard opening ngayon is 1 gate into core into faster nexus, normally at around 19 supply, 21 supply, 22 supply, and even yung other older version nasa 27 supply nexus. But itong si Art and Music decided to go for the double gate into core into fast citadel. So nowadays this is considered cheese na, no? Cheese meaning mga weird, aggressive, cheesy builds. This could be, we could be looking at the DT Rush, and yes, correct nga. Very fast Citadel, very fast Templar Archives, and ang problem, Seniv does not have any idea kung ano nangyari dito, but you probably suspects it since hindi siya makapasok ng SCV kanina, as you've seen, with a perfect block between this Zealot and this Probe. So probably expecting something cheesy. That's why medyo napaaga yung engineering bay, no? I would say this is a premature engineering bay build. Kasi normally you'd want to build this around 4 minutes 30 seconds, kasi that's already decent timing, yun yung tightest timing you can go. Or maybe a bit later. Pero syempre gusto niya safer than sorry. So inuna niya yung engineering bay versus yung command center, which should normally be almost completed around this time, no? Or baka completed na, not sure with the timings. Ayan, inuna niya ang siege tank And I believe this is Siege first because yun talaga ang recommended, no? If find any scouting intel sa base ng kalaban, you go for turrets and Siege by default. Yun yung pinaka basic maneuvers, kumbaga, nasa basic fundamentals of playing Terran, especially against Protoss. Now, ito nga, Heart and Music going for that double DT rush with that double gateway, and let's see if he can get things done. However, the problem is, meron ng turret setup dito kay Zenith, and look, no, still no command center just now, 5 minutes 32 seconds na command center. So this is a very late center pero in favor of having that earlier defense. So let's see how this works out for Zenith. Now Barracks has been floated here to get vision of for any flying shuttles perhaps. Kasi ako, ganun gagawin ko kung Terran ako, I'm gonna float some buildings here. Pero hindi masyadong malayo, I would just float here. Pero yan, probably nakita niya na medyo lumalayo na yung barracks. So he decided to pull it back. Now, SCV going for another scouting attempt, but there already is a cannon placed on just near the ramp. No, so what we're seeing from Heart and Music is really not yung typical standard play you see today. And I hear a shuttle sound. So there it is. Meron ng shuttle. Those are a total of 4 DTs, and the scouting SCV gets taken down before he sees na mabibuild yung Nexus. So Zenith has no idea kung kailan na-build the Nexus, pero definitely, I believe, nakita niya na wala pang Nexus build, and he suspects something fishy. Now, shuttle moving from the top. Let's see if may turret. So, a turret, no, makikita ito, maaabutan ng turret yung shuttle before siya mag-arrive. So, let's see kung anong gagawin ni Heart and Music. Will he just go for it, diretso siya, or maybe find another angle? So, itong engineering bay, this is for the siege tank to spot any incoming dragoons. Yeah, so right now, decent amount of turrets for Zenith from vultures roaming inside the base. And now, shuttle going in. Turrets are just doing damage to the shuttle. Not enough to kill it though. Pero the DTs will successfully land. Uh-oh, this is not looking good. Only one turret. Walang army inside currently. Zenith is not reacting as of now. Now, 3 Dark Templars going in. Actually, 4 DTs going for the kill, killing that turret. Uh-oh, and vulnerable na ang main base ni Zenith. Only a few turrets at the side kaso masyado malayo. Kaso yung DT na to nag-suicide mission, mga kapatid. Going for this turnover here, kaso there are just too many Terran units and 2 DTs already taken down. I think this was a mismanaged Dark Templar use from the side of Heart. And okay, that was a good mind drag. Kaso parang, is it worth it to sacrifice a DT for a mind drag? I would prefer having more survivability than just killing units, no. Pero this is already damage, no. This Heart and Music has already dealt damage dito kay Zenith. Now, ang kailangan na niyang when Heart and Music is just to delay the mining further while macroing dito sa base niya. As you can see, Heart and Music has queued up those probes habang nandito siya with the Dark Templars. And yeah, grabe DT, oh. Ngayon ang only defense ni Zenith kasi wala pa siyang scanners. Dapat nag-build na siya ng academy very soon kaso inuun niya yung mga turrets. Panic turrets sa mga kapatid. These are overkill sa turrets. I call this panic turrets. Oops. Panic turrets, double turret, a dami turret. Okay, pero at least Zenith survives and still surprisingly ahead in worker count. Probably hindi na maximize masyado ni Heart yung pag-macro sa base, but at least medyo nakaka-catch up siya sa worker because of that cheese. Now, normally yung mga ganitong plays would really catch the player off guard and masisira yung kanilang normal game plan. And let's see, oh, very sneaky, no? So Heart and Music planning to establish a hidden third base dito sa 10 o'clock position. Vultures roaming around the map from the side of Zenith, maybe looking for that expansion. Unfortunately, wala dito. You need to look somewhere else if you want to cheese or rather harass the Protoss. Ngayon, 3 cannons built in the natural. Masyadong sigurista si Heart and Music. Ayaw niyang may mga vultures makalusot or maybe ayaw niyang mapasukan ng any scouts whatsoever. However, we are seeing the Nexus not blinking again. But he is still continuously building up his army supply. Currently, Zealots Normally, at this stage of the game, nag-build up ka ng 2 groups of Dragoons. Yun ang priority mo. 2 groups of Dragoons, and finally, no, the cybernetic score is blinking to upgrade that Dragoon range, and kanina kasi sinacrifice ito for the sake na earlier DTs and mas maraming DTs. Now, Zenith going for the move out, seeing if he could get things done. However, I don't think this is a good decision at all. Napakaliit ng Terran army na nilalabas niya, and it's already 10-minute mark. If you're playing against at least yung standard Protoss, no, this army will never be enough. Pero siguro Zenith senses na this isn't a standard Protoss na nilalabanan niya, so maybe he could do some damage. But yeah, let's see. Okay, ngayon siege tanks nakapwesto na dito sa high ground. This SCV will be for the turrets perhaps, but observers are here na going to see those location of mines. Now, look at Hart going for the engage, kaso mukhang A-click lang. Naka A-click lang si Hart, hindi niya minove. Right-click move, okay. Ngayon, the tanks are gonna get killed here. Masyadong maraming zealots getting on top of the tanks, and this push will be slaughtered. So, good job for Heart and Music sa pag-react sa situation na yan before it gets out of hand. Kasi once makaset up na ang maraming Terran units outside the natural, it's going to be very hard for you to break out. You're gonna have to sacrifice a lot of Terrans or maybe shuttle your way out. Ngayon, while that is happening, you know, yung nangyayari dito is Heart and Music is now establishing his third on the 10 o'clock location. Now, where are we at in this game? Zenith is now still 42 workers, and Heart and Music still 32 workers, so that's a very low worker count for both sides, especially for Heart. Napakababa ng worker count, so Heart needs to produce more probes ASAP, and si Zenith then double time the worker production so you can boost your economy and produce more units. Ngayon, I don't know, hindi yata napansin ni Zenith, 3 factories are not leaking. Lahat ng production nasa isang factory, miss na faster than yung production. He would be better off by distributing yung production across 5 factories. Now, ito naman, Zenith now establishing the third base dito sa mineral only. So, yung challenge dito sa Polypoint is that, sabi nga ni Artosis Cast, I'm gonna borrow some insights from him. Itong third base mineral only location is actually mahirap for Terran to hold and easier for Protoss to bust, simply because masyadong maliit lang yung high ground coverage. So, madali itong akitin ng mga zealots and mabust na Protoss according to him. And plus, wala pang Vespin Geyser dito sa natural third na could actually help the Terran to get 3 factory add-ons instead of just 2. Kaya normally sa Polypoid, medyo delayed yung third factory add-on mo unless the Terran decides to go for yung mga other bases, which is on the 12, 9, 6, or 3 depende sa spawn point. Now, meron ng third base kaso wala pa rin probes dito si Heart and Music. But he has a decent army, no? Medyo pantay sila ni Zenith, but it's not the ideal army size you want to be against Terran. Normally, as Protoss, talagang gusto mong like 10s, 20s, 30s, 50s, 100s. No. Basta more supply compared to the Protoss player. Now, Terran, for some reason, decides to move out. I don't know if nag-scan siya. Parang wala akong narinig na scan kanina. But intuition lang, move out siya and is now going to find this army ni Heart and Music. Now for the engage again, slowly, no, setting up those tanks and mines. Ngayon, Heart and Music smartly pulling back his speed zealots and dragoons. No, split their army niya to maybe hopefully get an ambush in as the observer sees the position of these tanks and vultures. Yeah, so medyo na standardized quote-unquote lang game sa point na to. Very opener. Very weird opener. Well, very cheesy opener, I would say. From Heart, pero at this point, medyo na-normalize na yung game. Now we're going for a push dito. I think Zenith wants to secure this high ground sa labas sa Protoss. Kaso, maraming ambush units ang nakaabang for the side of Heart and Music, and look at that though, look at that. Naka-split the army from the left, from the top, and from the right. Looks like Heart and Music is going to ambush this army from 3 angles. The Zealots getting top of the tanks. The Terran army is not prepared. This Terran army will get wiped. Kasi depende pa rin Kupari engage. Yes, look, many touch. Not taken down. What a beautiful, beautiful surround by Heart and Music. Kaya may mga reinforcing army pa from Zenith trying to go to the high ground. Pero this has been very, very good. Could have been better, pero this has been a very decent engage from Heart and Music. Perfectly destroying. Well, not perfectly, pero alam mo yun, better than, that was a good performance sa pag-engage, sa pag-surround, and deleting that Terran army. So now, na-reset ang army count ni Zenith and also si Heart and Music. I think this is more favorable kay Heart and Music, no? Kasi the more tanks you trade in and sacrificing your dragoons, the better actually. Kasi parang ano yan, nangyari sa trade-off is 1:1 dragoon to tank. Definitely lamang ka if you kill a tank and trade it for a dragoon. Pero let's say 3 dragoons for a tank, medyo lugi ka na. Ngayon, Zenith trying to set up kaso wala siyang reinforcements. Punta just tanks and Goliath and wala siyang vision dito sa high ground, you can see, no? Ngayon, look at that. With sa third base ni Heart and Music, establish siya ng mga gateways. This is a smart choice, I believe, para he could produce some zealots over here. I think yun ang goal niya. Zealots over here and maybe dragoons from the main. And do some surrounds consistently as the Terran army tries to push us up. Ngayon, Zenith with lots of resources. Currently pa rin, nasa worker advantage and supply advantage. Pero let's see how Zenith deals with this situation. Now, looks like a scan kanina yung narinig natin detected the base from the upper left side of the map, and that's where Zenith will be heading to. So instead of heading to the natural, no, kasi normally, kung ako ang tatanungin, I would go for the natural, choke the base here, and then go for the expansions. As a Zenith decided to take down this expansion from the upper left and said, ngayon, siege, prop up tanks. I don't think this is a good idea to prop up tanks, especially when there are plenty of threats. Now, Zenith, Heart and Music going for the surround, and Zealots easily getting on top of the tanks. Zenith is in a lot of trouble. This is going to get wiped out very easily. And yeah, as you can see dito, easily na-wipe out ang army ni Zenith. What a beautiful decision na naman na ginawa ni Heart and Music. So right now, you can see sa scoreboard, no, 2-0 in favor of engagements. Panalo na naman for the second time sa engage si Heart and Music. That was a beautiful engage, deleting that Terran army. And ito, mga pahabol na ng troops to. And yes, I don't think this has been a good decision just to rally, no. Dapat inipon lang ni Zenith kaysa mag-move forward and pilitin. That was an ill decision from the side of Zenith. Now, we're looking at the base of Zenith. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we're looking at 7 factories against 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very decent amount of gateways. Probably could add 1 or 2 more. And, is that an arbiter narinig ko? Yes, meron ng arbiter. So, this is going to make Zenith's live even trickier. Now, pantay pa rin supply. Heart is not really producing probes that much. And you should, kasi if you want to aim for optimal worker count, dapat ang aim mo at least mga 65 workers, either Terran ka or Protoss. 65 workers, that's enough to fuel yung army mo for the rest of the game. Okay, so medyo peace mode right now. Then still floating thousands of minerals and gas. I don't know why sa niya gamitin. You can see, no, he could just pump units pero ang laki ng supply gap. I mean, rather, yung population na pwede niyang punuin hanggang 168 pero hindi niya pa napupuno for some reason. Some factories are not blinking, and that is really bad, no? Imbis na mas faster. That was an excellent mine location and deleting a few dragoons. So these Goliaths are in suicide mission, hindi na control ni Zenith. Now, meanwhile, sa base ni Heart and Music, still pumping out more dragoons and more zealots. And yeah, so more army units pero no worker production still. Ayun, Zenith sees this fourth base ni Heart and Music, which is on the 12 o'clock location, and plant some mines, kaso this will just get cleared by the army ni Heart and Music. And yeah, okay, so things are medyo quiet. I don't know Why hindi pa rin nakiklear tong vultures? Maybe Heart and Music is busy looking somewhere else. Ngayon, ang fourth base, hindi pala, akala ko may pocket na SCV kanina. Okay, so you can see, no, yung kabaliktaran ni Zenith, si Heart. Si Zenith naman over worker. Si Heart and Music under sa worker. Normally, no, Protoss madalas yung ahead and greedier kaysa Terran, pa in this case. Kasi nga, siguro Protoss main kasi si Zenith, kaya nadadala niya ang kanyang Protoss DNA sa pagka-Terran. Maybe ganoon yung case. Ngayon, yeah, meron na palang fourth base dito. Hindi ko napansin agad, pero fourth base is already up here for Zenith. And pantay sila ng base currently ni Heart and Music. Normally, pag pantay ang base ang Terran Protoss, that's actually bad for Protoss. As Protoss, you'll always want to be one base ahead at minimum, and two bases ahead is very, very good. Ngayon, Zealot scouted this bottom base to 6 o'clock ni Zenith is doing some harassment o nangungulit sa depot. And pag hindi pinansin ni Zenith to, this is really bad. Pero buti pinansin ni Zenith, sending a lot of vultures, kaso hindi yan nakakontrol na maayos. And yeah, this Zealot will get taken down. Okay, so yeah, I would say, no, they're kinda even, pero lamang lang si Zenith ahead because of the macro. Yeah, so definitely ahead si Zenith because of the macro, pero sa pag-engage, no, so far as scoreboard na pag-engage, lamang na lamang si Heart and Music. Heart and Music knows how to maneuver his Protoss force properly to engage with the Terran, and that's really, really good, and hindi siya madali, no, gawin. Lalo na kung station ng Terran. Up, that mine connecting is going to be annoying, dealing damage to 4 Zealots agad before even the combat starts. Really, really bad. So yan. Yeah, for some reason, Heart and Music decided to go for an attack here. And Zenith, the siege sa wrong side. Masyadong malayo ang siege tanks niya. Naka-siege sa left side. He should be going here up ramp and salubungin yung Protoss army, pero and Heart and Music decides to pull back. Maybe there is up. This is not good. This is not a good decision. Now, Zenith trying to establish now this fifth base dito sa 9 o'clock location. Yeah, Zenith bringing again the Protoss DNA into his Terran. So, still, see, Heart and Music, napako pa rin sa probe count. Hindi pa rin siya nagpapunta sa probes. Pero, these arbiters are seeking to do damage. Probably recall itong back niyang gawin. Asa dalawa silang magkasama. I don't know why dalawa. Dalawang recall sabay maybe, or I don't know. Yeah, so Zenith's army moving out in the center of the map, and nakasalubong niya ang army ni Heart and Music. But look at that, this is a very, very scary Terran force, no? Almost maxed out against maxed out Protoss, and normally maxed out Terran versus maxed out Protoss is very, very good for Terran. Ngayon, Zenith decides to go for that 10 o'clock base again. Kaya yung arbiters ni Heart and Music, instead na diretso sa 9 o'clock base, pinapang defend niya. Kaso, oh no, what are you doing? Si Heart sumasalubong ng Goliaths, taking free shots from Goliaths. That's not good. Si Zenith naman, slowly moving up, no? While ito naman si Heart going for a bit of counter-attack dito sa mineral only base ni Zenith. Kaya Zenith's army is completely split. Kaso this is not good for Zenith kung puro tanks na dito. Hindi naka-siege, naka-A-click lang siya. A recall, this is a cute recall. Konti lang units ang recall niya dito, lol. Pero that being said, no, dalawang clashes happening sabay-sabay. And looks like Heart and Music is going to be able to take down this mineral-only base in Zenith. And I think mo-hold din niya itong base niya sa 10 o'clock. So this is looking good. There's some engagement once again for Heart and Music. Look, flood of zealots, no, harassing the siege tanks over here. Grabe guys, okay, this group of dragoons will get taken down, pero nagawa nila yung mission nila, which is to take down the third PC, and also Heart and Music successfully pushing back the Terran force here. Grabe, no, all engagements so far this game. All, I think 3 or 4th engagement na yon. Puro panalo si Heart and Music sa engagement. Pero macro-wise, lamang na lamang pa rin si Zenith. Heart and Music trying to go up, pero I think this is not a good idea. Konti lang units mo, masyadong marami ang Terran army. And yeah, so that was a bit of suicide. Pero maybe that was just a distraction para ma-atake ni Heart and Music yung base dito sa 9 o'clock location ni Zenith. So maybe that was just a distraction fire. Now this base will get taken down. Hindi pa rin nag-reinforce si Zenith. Ngayon pa lang siya mag-reinforce with some tanks. And I think hindi aabot yung CC if they will just, these Dragoons will just focus fire on the command center, no? Sacrifice na yung Dragoon, take down the CC, and 9 o'clock base gets deleted. Now he must pull back, and Heart and Music easily pulls back. Parang assassin, no, na hit and run assassination ang ginawa niya, third CC. Pero Zenith is not dead, still on 3 command centers, no, 3 bases. Wala na siyang main, wala na siyang natural, but he still has this mineral only kasi mag-mine out na rin. Meron na siyang isang functional mining base as of now. So this is kind of makes it very good for Heart and Music. Ngayon, for that engage, Zenith is going for the push again dito sa top left base ni Heart and Music. So, yeah, grabe. ang comment ko na talaga dito, if only Heart and Music macroed better sana yung army supply niya, and dapat mas marami pa siyang bases na kinuha. Definitely maging ahead siya. Ngayon, another engage from Heart and Music. Kakayanin ba niya to? There are just so many tanks, but marami rin siyang Zealot and Dragoons. So this is, I think, the 5th big engagement again for this game, and it looks like looks like Heart will win this engagement once again. Grabe. Yeah, look at how he maneuvers his Dragoons, no, dito sa combat. Zenith gets pushed back. Napakaganda ng pag-utilize, pag-maneuver ng unit ni Heart and Music. Wala pa rin panalo sa big clash si Zenith. Meron lang panalo si Zenith sa mga small micro clashes, ng mga decoy clashes. Ayun, Zenith now is trying to establish that base again at 9 o'clock. Iniwanan niya itong mineral only base. Hindi na siya nagtayo ulit ng expansion ng CC because lumine out na. And double expanding actually, pati sa lower right side of the map, CC rin siya. CC meaning command center, no? Hindi yung CC na regret. Baka nagtataka yung viewers. Yeah, probes now being transferred. So currently, no more minerals, and konti lang minerals dito. So technically 2 bases mined out. Now Heart and Music is now sitting at 2 functional mining bases. Zenith sitting at 1 base. Established na yung isang base dito, pero 9 o'clock but still not mining. So technically 1 base mining pa rin si Zenith. So surprisingly, no, ahead na agad Heart and Music. Definitely dahil 43 workers lang ahead si Heart and Music in terms of army. So anong gagawin ni Zenith ngayon? Anong gagawin ni Heart? How are they going to engage? I think Zenith should just focus on macroing up and play more defensively kaysa umattack. Better to take more expansion, secure na lang, than trying to attack. And I think yun ang attempt niya. Gusto niya secure yung base sa 9 o'clock by positioning attacks here, as he needs to put more mines. Right now, he's overproducing Goliaths. Napakadaming Goliaths than necessary. These should be vultures instead. And overkill. Dapat 4 lang Goliath, enough na eh. And now, okay, catching Heart and Music off guard, those slays a few of those Dragoons. So good job for Zenith. Kapag si siege doon, just enough to kill a few Dragoons. But yes, Heart still has a lot of army units. Ngayon, grabe lang. Until now, hindi pa rin nagpo-produce ng probes si Heart. Kanina pa yun naka 43. No, pero for some reason, nafi-feed niya ng supply ang kanyang army. No, I mean, nafi-feed. Pinapakain. I mean, nasa sustento niya yung army count niya with just 43 probes. Ayan, again, Zenith going for another attack. This is sa upper left. Let's see, will Zenith finally be able to win at least one big clash? Kasi kanina pa siya puro olat sa mga clash. Ito ang problem nito, wala siyang vulture, just Goliaths. Pero mas spread ng gusto niya gawin sa tanks. Going for that push. So, maraming naka-abang na Zealots again here. Let's see what's going to happen in this clash. Now, Heart and Music pulling troops from the right side, going to the left. There's another surround, mga kapatid. surrounding the tank, surrounding the pushing army. And will Heart and Music do it again? Or will Zenith hold this position? Uh-oh, it looks like panalo na naman. See, Heart and Music sa engage ito, grabe. All clashes, unbelievable. In this entire game, all clashes, panalo si Heart and Music. Wala pang panalong big clash with Zenith. The only thing na bubuhay kay Zenith is because he has superior macro in this game. Pero imagine if may okay macro din, no? May better macro si Heart and Music. Definitely kanina pa to natapos. But yeah, it is what it is. In fairness naman kay Heart, very good ang kanyang engage and pag-maneuver strategically ng mga units niya to engage the Terran army. Now, look at the supply. Very pantay. Lamang sa army si Heart and Music because workers lang mostly ang army ni Zenith. So, yeah, Heart is ahead in army count. Now, this base on the left, kay Zenith still not mining. Or Zenith, currently one mining base, kaso, ayun na. Heart and Music decides to go to the lower right side to check, and then makita siyang base dito ng Terran just about to go up and will successfully delete this base, preventing another expansion coming up from Zenith. Actually, 2 command centers, very painful. Hindi niya nilift off. Ba't di mo nilift off ang mga command center mo? Yikes. I guess Zenith is in panic mode right now. Hindi niya alam mo gagawin kasi no-overwhelm siya. Lagi siya natatalo sa engagement, lagi siya napupush, lagi na-deny yung expansions. What is Zenith gonna do? Only with a few forces left, trying to engage with this bigger Protoss army. Medyo suicide. Hindi siya nag-siege. Just a click. What are you doing, Zenith? I think Zenith has already lost it mentally, no? Puro talo ang clash. Now we can say that Heart and Music is winning this game. Yan, maraming vultures pero he needs more tanks. Actually, masyadong maraming dragoons. Nasa ng army ni Zenith? These are just vultures. These are a few tanks. Yeah, now Heart and Music trying to go for this kill. It was a 6 o'clock base, only 2 mining bases kay Zenith. And while doing another attack, 2 attacks at the same time, so 6 o'clock and going for the attack here dito sa 9, between the 9 and the mineral on the high ground ng Terran. So looks like Heart and Music wants to intercept any reinforcements, no? Kaya pinasok yung mga dragoons. Ngayon, this small group from Heart and Music will get taken down. Kaso, ang problema, nakapasok naman dito sa natural yung actual and larger force ni Heart and Music, and is going to delay any reinforcements from coming out. So Zenith with 76 workers, no? 104, so that's just about 30 army supply. Kulang na kulang army supply to fight this. Konti lang din ang pera, not producing enough. The Protoss army will just go up the ramp and just destroy everything in here. What will Zenith do? How will Zenith react to this? Nasaan ang mga troops ni Zenith? Wala, nandito sa right side ng troops. But yan, ito lang nga, Protoss army just hitting here. Just gonna delete everything that comes out because of problema sa Terran units, no? They need to be set up. And GG has been called. Woo! Heart and Music takes this victory. Grabe, no? Despite Zenith having the superior macro, sa engagement naman mas superior yung pag-engage ni Heart and Music. So, yeah, that was a very very good game, no? I believe. Nag-enjoy ako panoorin to and casting this for you. And yeah, if you enjoyed this cast, no, and mga getong games na nakikita natin sa channel, grabe. Hit like and subscribe, and yeah, para matulungan yung algorithm to, you know, para mas lumaki ang channel, and para I could keep on doing this longer and create more content for you guys. So this is once again the Happy Penguin, and yeah, see you on the next video.